garlic, spring onion, chili, of course tofu. We cut the tofu into cubes like this. And prepare 1 egg. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and mix it together. Then time to put all the tofu to our egg like this. Then set aside. And then now we prepare our sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it only. And then 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix it and set aside. Now we fried our tofu in a low heat. We fried our tofu. Make sure that our pan and our oil is hot enough like this. So our tofu will still very good. And here our tofu. We finish the first step and we proceed to our next step, which is the sauce. Okay, we need garlic, minced garlic, chili, and spring onion. And then put our sauce. Look at that. The smell is very good. It's time to put our tofu. The smell is very, very good. Okay. Make sure that the tofu have enough sauce. And put a bit of spring onion again. And done! Here's our spicy tofu with oyster sauce, Chinese style. Thank you so much, Madidiskarteng people. I hope you enjoy my video for today. See you to my next one. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.